in India, then let's first know about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the highest area under curve millet. This desert state occupies 46 lakh hectare area with the average production of 28 lakh tons. 28 lakh tons and productivity of 400 kg per hectare. Then let's know the millet production of Odisha. Millet are cultivated in 54,495.83 hectares in Odisha. From the total area of millet cultivation, Ragi only occupies 80%, 86% of the area of the millet cultivation. Then in Odisha, more than 11 lakh farmers have adopted millet cultivation. And I would like to say that during the Kharif marketing 2021-22, our Odisha millet mission has produced 3,23,000 quintals of millet from 41,286 farmers. And the highest millet production district of our Odisha is first of all in the highest range is the Koraput, then Kandhamar, Rayagada, Sundargarh, then Nuapada, Gajapati and then Nabarampur. Then let's know millet mission of Odisha. The millet mission of Odisha or Odisha millet mission is set up in April 2017, and the main aim of this Odisha millet mission is to improve the productivity and the consumption of millet. So that as I kept the opinion that millet is a superfood, so let's know why it's called as a superfood. Millet has been called as a superfood of the recent years only because of three main reasons millet is called as a superfood. What are the three main reasons? First of all, it is highly rich in nutrients and proteins, so it is health benefits. It has highest number of health benefits. Then it's sustainable everywhere. Millet is now available in every part of our country and every part of our world also. So it is sustainable everywhere. And the other reasons in which millet is known as a superfood are it is high in nutrients and is low glycemic index and are gluten free. So these grains are high in proteins, fibers and minerals such as iron, calcium and magnesium, which improve our health issues. And then a quarter cup of serving millet contains 189 calories, proteins of 6 grams and only 2 grams of fats, which make a millet as a superfood, not a diet fat. So let's understand the graph and explanation.
2 minutes more.
India has the highest rank of explanation in the world. Here you can also see that India has the highest rank of millet production in the world. So we must feel proud to be in India. Then let's look up the health benefits of millets. Millet protect us from cardiovascular disease, regulate blood sugar, and then it help in weight loss. It also protect our heart from bad cholesterol. It also better cancer cells. So I suggest the cancer patients to take a gluten-free diet is millet. So it also promotes our digestion. Then let's see how to enhance the production of millets. First of all, the government of India should provide financial assistance to the farmer in which they can grow crops, and the government of India should also provide quality seeds to the farmers in which the production will be increased. Then let's see the uses, how to enhance the uses of millets. We can prepare tasty dishes from the millets such as millet salad, millet soup, and then ragi, idli and dosa, ragi cookies, ragi cake and ragi laddu. Then I have kept some proposal for us in which we can see that how to increase the uses of millet. First of all, millet should be added in midday meal. The midday meal that is provided by government, it has only the rice and the carbohydrate things, but millet should be added in midday meal. The second, the public distribution system should be nutritional, should be introduced nutritional support. Then the most important thing that government should declare the minimum sale price or MSP for the millet, so that every poor people, the rich people, everyone can buy millet in a very good economic condition. So at last, I will say that International Years of Millet, with the aim to create awareness and increase the production and consumption of millets all over the world, our Government of India and the United Nations declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets. Our PM Modi